Hey man, thanks for coming to WeCast. We're checking out the awesome new reel from Daiwa. It's a spinning reel, the Luvias ST LT. A lot to unpack in that name. We're gonna dive into it. So what makes this reel an awesome finesse style spinning reel is the entirety of the air drive design adapted in here. So we have the air drive rotor, the air drive bail, the air drive spool, and of course the air drive shaft. All of these things making this reel super lightweight and super smooth on the rotation. Of course, it's an MQ style body reel, so a little bit larger gearing inside this reel as well. Now what makes this reel really unique is how light a weight this reel is. The 1000 size model, as far as we can find, is the lightest reel available on the market, about 4.8 ounces. Now the 2500 that most of you bass guys are gonna gravitate towards, not much more than that. What is unique though is you guys can see here super shallow spools designed for that 6, 8, maybe 10-pound test braid lines. So with that, you're gonna get a very sensitive overall combo. That super smooth rotation. This is the new Luvias ST LT.